What do you call a panzanella that tells jokes? A panzanella. Welcome back to Berry Life. Today we're making a salad, where the prominent ingredient is bread. That's right, it's panzanella. Pan means bread, and zanella refers to a deep plate in which the salad is served. We'll start by preheating the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For panzanella, you can use a hearty Italian bread, but today we're using a French country bread instead. In French, it's called pain de campagne. In Tuscany, they usually use stale bread. This is dry and absorbs the dressing. However, we like to impart some flavor and texture to the bread, so we're going to cut the bread into cubes and make croutons. After the bread is cut, we'll load the pieces to a baking sheet and spread them out evenly. And drizzle it with EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. The oil is to prevent the croutons from burning. You don't need a whole lot. Then add some salt and some black pepper. We always make fresh croutons with leftover bread. They're really handy to have around, especially for a salad like this. Then give it a toss. Then spread them out evenly. And place them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are lightly brown. After 12 to 15 minutes, we'll take them out of the oven and allow them to cool. These are perfect. They're crispy on the outside and a little soft in the center for a satisfying bite. While the croutons are cooling, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Starting with the tomatoes, we like to quarter these, as it allows for more of the tomato flesh to be exposed and the juices can release to flavor the salad. Along with a sharp knife, a good bench scraper comes in really handy here. The juice of the tomatoes will actually help create the dressing for this salad. We'll add the diced tomatoes to a large mixing bowl. Next, we'll add some salt, some ground black pepper, then add about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Because this is a salad, you want to use the good stuff, along with a tablespoon or two of red wine vinegar, and a spoonful of sugar to round out the flavor. Then we'll mix the combine and set them aside for about 10 minutes. This will help the flavors meld and the salad dressing to form. Now we can chop the rest of the ingredients, starting with an apple. We're using Honeycrisp apples for a couple of reasons. One, they're in season, and two, they have a crisp sweetness that offers a break from the otherwise savory dish. We also like to use peach when peaches are in season to make peach panzanella. What does the avocado say to the peach when it's angry? You are the pits! Next, we'll dice some cucumbers, because what's cooler than a cucumber? It's nice and refreshing. These cocktail cucumbers are perfect for pickling. Since they're about 95% water, they're perfect to keep you hydrated. Then we'll chop a red onion. We like to use the red onion for its bright color and because it's a bit spicier than the yellow onion. It adds the spicy element to the salad. Have you heard about the famous onion plunge? It's like the polar plunge, but with an onion. It's when you throw an onion in an ice bath to help it crisp up and to reduce some of its pungency. We like to use the radial cut, which is pole to pole. It creates thin slivers of the onions, leading to a better presentation. And to counteract the onion, we'll throw in some fresh mint. With the ingredients prepared, it's time to go back to the tomatoes and assemble the salad. We'll add all the fruits and veggies to the tomatoes. We want to mix the fruits and the veggies before we add the croutons. This helps to coat the fruits and vegetables with the salad dressing and prevents the croutons from getting too soggy. Wow, just look at all the colors. This is looking amazing already. With the salad mixed, we'll finally add the croutons. The reason we add the croutons towards the end is because we can allow the dressing to coat the other ingredients. We also prepared some additional dressing on the side, as we're never sure exactly how much dressing the bread will absorb, and we don't like to have a dry salad. With the salad prepared, we'll transfer it to a plate. Bread has been a Mediterranean staple for many thousands of years, and this salad is actually a way of using preserved bread. Now we'll top it with burrata, and drizzle the burrata with some more evu, along with salt and pepper. Originally, the Mediterraneans were using ancient Mediterranean vegetables, and started using tomatoes relatively recently in the 1600s. And we'll add a little bit more mint on top. And there you have it, Burrata Panzanella, a taste of Tuscany in the comfort of your own home. My mouth is already watering. Let's dig in. We'll slice the burrata. Oh man, just look at that. This is the kind of salad you want to take your time eating. The bread will actually change texture as you eat your way through it, so relax and take a moment to enjoy the experience. Hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.